video, and in today's video I will be doing the classic red lip look. So this is one of my favorite looks to do, and yeah, without further ado, let's quickly get into the video. So to moisturize my face, I will be using the Nivea Soft Moisturizer. It has a very thick but yet soft. It's not too sticky or too light. It gives you the correct moisturization you need. So then I will be using the Farsali Unicorn Essence. Now this one is, this came in a trio, the Dream Farsali kit. You can find it on Nykaa. So from that I'm going to use the Farsali Unicorn Essence.
I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises.
So next I will be using the Farsali Skin Tune Blur. This is a sort of a primer that blurs out your pores.
'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them.
So then I will be using my one and only foundation, that is the Maybelline New York in the shade 332 Golden Caramel. This foundation is very lightweight and it gives you a very medium coverage, since I do not require very heavy coverage.
'Cause I don't keep them.
So now that I'm done with the foundation, I will move on to the concealer. So for the concealer, I will be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is not very liquidy, it is a bit creamy. So that is why I apply minimum amount of it. And then I'm going to use the same beauty blender to blend it.
I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them.
So to set my under eyes, I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I'm only going to set under my eyes, taking minimum amount of powder. I did not set my whole face because it makes me look very cakey, and I don't know, I do not like the finish of it.
'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them.
Okay, so that's it. I've set my under eyes, and now it's time for the eyes. So for the eyes, I will be using 3 palettes. The first one is the Makeup Revolution Hypnotic. The second one is the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Red Alert. And the third one is the City Mini palette from Maybelline New York. Now this is my very first palette that I had purchased, and it's great because you have a lot of brown shades in that, which is going to suit any of the skin tones. So this is almost over because I've used it a lot, and it's very affordable, very pigmented. So I will recommend you to go for this palette if you're a beginner, because I think it's the best palette and it's worth it. So I'm going to apply this shade right here. And then apply your shades on your eyelids, because you don't want them to fall off on your under eyes, because you've already set them. So I'm going to apply the same eyeshadow under my lower lash line.
I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them.
Then I will take this dark brown shade right here and apply it to my crease. Again, tap off the excess and then apply.
'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them.
concealer on my hand, and then with the help of a brush I'm going to apply it here. Just take it midway and then stop. So after applying the concealer, I will be using this palette, and from this I'm going to take this shade right here. And I will apply that on the places where I've applied the concealer. Then from this palette, I'm going to take this shade right here and apply it. So then I'm going to take the same brown shade which I had taken in the beginning, and I'm going to blend everything smoothly.
Don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them.
So then I will use the Lakme Insta Liner. This is a great eyeliner. So I'm going to create a very small wing. Okay, so I'm going to quickly curl my lashes using the lash color. So for mascara, I will be using the Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara, and I'm going to use the wand of this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara.
I don't keep them.
Can you see the instant lift it gave to my lashes? And you can also see the volume it gave to my lashes. So this Lash Sensational Mascara is definitely a good one. So please do give it a try if you're looking for a good mascara, an affordable mascara. Then I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows. Then it's time for the bronzer. Now I do not contour my face very harshly, I just bronze my face. So for bronzing my face, I will use this palette. You can use anything, any eyeshadow palette, any eyeshadow that you have which is similar to the bronzer shade. So I'm going to use today this eyeshadow palette. It is from Nicka K, and I'm going to use these two shades, the dark brown and the orange. I'm going to lift my face slightly and then apply just a little bit. I'm not going to take it down here. I'm just going to contour only here. Just take it on top up to my temples and forehead. Just brush it down. I'm also going to apply it on my jawline and take it down to my chin. This is just to create a shadow on your double chin so that it's not visible. So then I will also contour my nose. This just connects the eyebrows to the nose and it looks good. And then I'm just going to smoothen the contour and the bronzing thing with my beauty blender. So next it's time for the blush. So I will be using the Maybelline Color Show blush in Fresh Coral. This particular color suits my face very well. So I'm going to apply this also just slightly on my cheekbones. I'm not going to take it here. I'm just going to apply it like this on my temples. A little bit on my nose and my chin. So it's time for the highlighter. So first I will apply the highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes.
Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them.
Then I will use the same beauty blender to apply the highlighter because I think this gives a very smooth and a very dewy finish onto the skin.
'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them.
Then I'm going to set my face using the Faces Canada setting spray. Now this is a great setting spray, but unfortunately it contains alcohol. I did not read the ingredients before buying it, but it's a great spray. But I advise you not to buy setting sprays which contain alcohol because it is not good. For lipstick, you can use any lip liner, but use a dark shade. This is just to contour your lips.
'Cause I don't keep them.
So for lipstick, I will be using the Lakme 9 to 5 liquid lipstick in the shade Burgundy Lush. And this is the final look.
Let's start by correcting it all. Lower your finger.
I hope you really enjoyed this video because I really enjoyed creating this look for you. So if you have any video suggestions, then please do comment in the comment section below. And if you like this video, then please do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Sorry.